Hello and namaste all of the friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jazza Tech, and today I'm going to tell you the 10 most important and useful trick about make your computer or laptop 200% fast. Okay, if you are new on my videos, then please do subscribe, share, comment. Okay, if you like my videos, let's talk about the tricks. The number one trick is that disable startup program. Okay, by disabling the startup program, can make a computer a little bit fast. How to do that? To disable the start program, simply press Ctrl Shift and Escape key from the keyboard to open the task manager. Then after, you can find here startup option. Click there, and if you suppose I don't need this screen rec, then after just simply right click and click the disable. Okay, now like this you can disable all the applications which you do not need. Okay, now number two is disable animation and visual effects. By disabling animation and visual effects, you can make your computer a little bit super fast. Okay, how to do that? To disable animation and visual, let's go to the control panel, press winner, then after type here simply control to open the control panel. Then after you can find out here the system. Here is the system, and click the system. Then after type the advanced system setting. Here is the advanced system setting. Okay, click here. Then after click this advanced option. Here is the advanced option. Then after you can find here in the first performance, under performance you can find here the setting. Okay, click on the setting. On the performance option, you have to select the custom. Then after disable all the check. Okay, uncheck all. Okay. 3 number is disable Windows Update. Okay, Windows sends us the Windows Update about a week or day. Okay, while updating the Windows, the computer gets slow. Okay, how to disable Windows Update? To do that, simply press WinR from the keyboard, then type here services.msc and press OK. Then you find out the Windows Update. Okay, simply press W. Here you can find on the Windows Update here. And after right click this Windows Update, and after select the properties, then after here is the startup type, you can select disabled. Okay, and apply. Okay, talk about the turn off the notification. By turning off the notification, you can make your computer or laptop fast. Okay, how to do that? To turn off notification, right click the Windows icon. You can find here the Windows icon, right click there, and we have to go to the setting. Here is the setting. Then after system notification, okay, simply turn off notification. You can uncheck all. Okay, and now next is the 5 number is clean the files or drive with a licensed antivirus. Okay, you have to clean the files or drive with licensed antivirus or activated antivirus. Okay, if your drive or files are affected by the virus, then the antivirus will fix that files from a drive. Okay, now next is the turn on the storage option. Okay, we have to turn on the storage options. Okay, when you turn on the storage option, then it will manage the unwanted files on a drive. How to do that? To enable the turn on the storage, you have to right click on the Windows icon again. Okay, then have to click the setting, then after you can find here the storage option. Okay, click the storage, then after your storage cells can automatically free of space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content. Okay, just turn on this. Okay, and it makes a computer fast. Then after, next is use disk cleanup. Okay, disk cleanup is one of the best tool from the Microsoft Windows. You have to use it to clean up your drive time by time. Okay, how to use disk cleanup. Okay, simply press Windows R from the keyboard, then after type there ms clean mgr, then press enter. Then after you can find your C drive. Okay, then press OK, the drive. Calculating. Okay, now you can find here the files which you don't need. Okay, suppose you can find a temporary file, recycle bin, optimization. Okay, you can delete all of the files you don't need from the system drive. Okay, then after simply press the OK. It asks you, do you want to temporarily delete, and press delete. Okay, this method also makes a computer a little bit fast. Okay, now next is the uninstall unwanted applications or programs from the computer. Okay, suppose if you have installed the programs which you are not using, okay, then you have to uninstall that program. How to do that? Press Win R from the keyboard, then after type your appwiz.cpl, then press OK. Then after you can find here the program list. Okay, if you do not need, suppose I do not need this 7-zip, then simply right click and then after uninstall. Okay, and it makes your C drive a little bit free. Then after your computer runs a little bit fast. Okay, now next is the free the C drive. Okay, the free the C drive is you have to, when the partitions of the C drive, okay, you have to partitions, you have to make partition above the 100 GB or more to make you free the C drive. Okay, when a computer is full of the C drive, then it will hang and then around the circle, and okay, and your device will be slow. So you have to free the C drive, okay, by deleting or uninstalling the program you have installed already, which are you're not using now. Now number 10 is the format the C drive and load new OS. Okay, this is the last solution. If your computer gets so hang and very slow, then the one very last option is you have to back up all the file from the computer then after give the next drive. Okay, you have to back up C drive or desktop files to the another external or another partition or drive. After you can simply format that drive and load new OS. Okay, these are the 10 tricks that makes the computer and laptop super fast. Okay, one last trick is if your computer or laptop has old type of the SSD or hard disk drive, then you can upgrade to the SSD drive. Okay, this is the latest version of the storage device that runs very fast your system. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please do share, comment, subscribe me and help me by commenting also. Thank you.